starting a project, documenting the project. This is Project Daily Driver. So Project Daily Driver is a Mercedes C230. It's a 2005, has about 139,000 miles on it. It has a 1.8 liter supercharged motor. So going from a 2012 VW GTI with a 2-liter turbocharged. I'm gonna miss this car, but this car has a car payment attached to it. That is part of a different project, which I'm not documenting, but it's Project Get Out of Debt. Part of Project Get Out of Debt is get rid of this and get a beater. Step one is to remove the radiator. Take that out first, but we gotta jack it up. Okay, jack stands are too tall. Jack is either too big or too small. Project Daily Driver is going to cost me the expense of buying 2 new jack stands that are smaller. This car sits very low. Got this jack stand here. Too tall, can't fit it under the car because that guy's too small, doesn't get tall enough, and this guy is too big to fit under the car as is. Alright, after a little bit more internet research, I still have to dual jack it to get that jack underneath the center point of the car, but then I'll be able to get that jack stand underneath without any problems, because this is day two. Still working on the radiator, got it almost all the way out, but I've been having problems. First of all, I couldn't find the clips. Once I found the clips, one wouldn't budge. But got it all done. The fan cowl is out. And the fan is out. Now I think I found the last bit holding the radiator in. I think there's a couple of clips way down here at the bottom. Underneath this thing. So hopefully I'll get the radiator out. Okay, so I got home at midnight last night, and Lukas made it home from Spokane, and so I went to check on the car, and this is what I found. The car looks quite a bit different now. There's a bunch of stuff removed. We got the radiator out, no problem. So we just need a single bit. We need a Torx 60, which we do not have, and we need to go buy an engine hoist because the motor is ready to come out. Anyway, it just took them 3 or 4 hours to get this far. I'm pretty stoked. So thanks, Lukas. All right, we went and got a engine hoist and jack stand. We got an engine hoist and stand. And Lukas is removing the drive shaft right now. Cruising right along. We gotta get a load leveler to actually pull the motor out, so we got a load leveler. Currently, Lukas has gotten to a point to where we need to buy another tool. We need to impact wrench because we can't get a specific bolt off. Just like that.
piston is.
Yeah.
Then the piston came up,
And
pushed
hit it.
this into the spark plug. I bet you is what
And
happened.
that's what smashed it.
Yeah. Look, this was rattling on the road. You see it's in place.
Block is completely torn apart. Check it out. So that's it. That's the car purchase, engine removal, and tear down of the motor. I think that wraps up part one. Can't wait to start going to the junkyard and buying some parts so we can get this beast put back together.